Hello guys and welcome back to Next Hilo. This is Dr. Vishal and today we have with us our faculty of medicine, very energetic, dedicated faculty, Dr. Manira Dasmana. She is being guiding to students and she's been in academic settings and mentoring students from many years for various postgraduate entrance examinations, and she's known for her simplified approach to the medicine subject. So let us welcome her. So let us hear her out that what is her secret that she gives to the student that they learn the vast medicine subject in a very easy way. So ma'am, what comes to the mind of a student when they think about medicine as a whole subject? That medicine is very vast and one have to have a good patience and consistency to complete the medicine subject.
Yes.
So what can be the simpler way to approach medicine?
See, Dr. Vishal, you're right. It is a vast subject, but it is not a tough subject. It's a very
Right.
easy subject. If your concepts are clear and you build your concepts from your MBBS life, that is from physiology. This is for the students who are doing their MBBS right now. But for the students who are preparing for their FMG or next exam, the same thing goes for them also. They have to start from their concepts, that is physiology, and then go to medicine. It is although a vast subject, but a very easy subject if your concepts are clear.
Right.
It's a misconception that medicine is a very tough subject, it's a vast subject, but it is not. Our approach should be good and the teacher who's teaching us should deliver the message or the subject in such a way that the student, understands it in a very simplified manner.
Right.
That is the thing.
Right. So ma'am, what is your course of action when we talk about a simplified approach to medicine?
So Dr. Vishal, for this it's simple. There are two types of students. One is the student who's already in their MBBS, their initial stages, and the second student is who is already done their MBBS and now he's preparing for his next or FMG. So the student who are in their initial stages right now, I recommend that they make their physiology, pathology. These are the basics of medicine. So they think that their medicine is a fourth year subject or final year subject. It is not that. Their medicine starts from physiology, goes on to the second year in pathology, then comes again back to them as a subject of medicine in their final year. And for the FMG students, we basically we think that their basics is already strong. For them, what I suggested that we teach them in a retrograde manner. We first introduce them to an MCQ, and yes, we have to tell them that this is the right answer, but we also have to tell them that out of the 5 options, why the other 4 are not the right answer. And what is the answer for those 4 questions? So if we teach a student in that manner, I think so retrograde manner is the best manner, and a student basically grasps more in a retrograde manner.
So basically, there is no need to find always a correct answer in the
Yes.
question, but you have to have a good practice to
Yes.
rule out the options.
Exactly.
It is a better approach.
Yes.
Okay, right. Understood. So ma'am, what is your advice to the students who are going to prepare medicine from your video series at Next Day?
So what I tell my student is that applied medicine, the first thing, it's very easy if your concepts are very clear, and the second thing is the videos that I have made them conceptual wise very clear, and the other thing is that I have used some mnemonics which have not been used anywhere before. So it will be very easy for the student if they learn a question or learn an answer to the question mnemonic wise. And the other thing is that if we are correlating every subject with every topic, then also I think so the student will be able to understand much. I am going a bit in details in physiology of each and every subject just for 2 minutes or 1 minute,
Right.
so that the student gets a bit of conception and then we go further. So that ways it will be easy for the student also, and it will be easy for us also to teach, and yes, the mnemonics will help a lot. So through Next Hilo, I want to tell all my students that you have to be very thorough, you have to be consistent, and there is no substitute for hard work.
Right.
There is a lot of hard work that is needed, and the in Next Hilo, the medicine notes, the applied medicine notes that we have made, it is in such a simplified manner that you will be able to grasp more, and you don't have to remember everything. So if your concepts are clear, you'll be able to gain more out of those notes. And the other thing is that you need to work hard a lot, and you need to be very consistent, and you need to revise more and more as much as possible, because again I'm saying the same thing. Although medicine is vast, but it is not tough, it's not a difficult subject, it's a very easy subject if the concepts are clear.
So thank you so much, ma'am, for your time. I definitely believe most of the students are going to get a lot of help from your advices. And now students will think that medicine is really simple because of your lectures at Next Day. Thank you so much for your
Thank
time,
you.
ma'am.
Thank you.